Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video I have a 5-minute makeup tutorial, and this is the look that I created. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how I did this, and hopefully this video is gonna be helpful. So I'll be playing with the Swear by It palette by NYX Cosmetics, but the first thing before I go in with any eyeshadow, I'm gonna first apply some eyeshadow primer, and I'm using the NYX Cosmetics Soft Ochre paint pot. Then I applied some eyeshadow guards because this will leave me with a really sharp edge, which is really easy to just get that sharp edge basically. So I'm using this palette by NYX Cosmetics, and I'm starting with this really light color and mixing it with a more orangey shade, and I'm just gonna start blending this all over my crease. I do feel like my eye look is looking a little bit different today. I'm not really sure if my lighting was weird, but I feel like on camera it looks more like a reddish, but in real life it was a lot more on the warm tone. So I just wanted to mention that. So I just started blending this all over my crease using a Morphe M504 brush, just to really warm up the crease and kind of darken it up. And for today's video, I kind of wanted to do a drugstore affordable kind of eye look because I do a lot of high-end makeup tutorials. So for today, I really wanted to focus on using more affordable products. So now I took a darker brown color and I'm gonna use a tinier brush. I believe the one I'm using right now is a Morphe M507, if I'm not mistaken, or it's the... I'm not really sure which one I'm using right now, but it's a tiny blending brush. It's tinier than the Morphe M504, which is actually a really large one, so it's not hard to grab a tinier one because almost every brush is a lot tinier than that one. But I'm just gonna blend this all over in the crease, just focusing like straight in the crease to really darken it up. And I just continue to blend until I find that everything is looking nice. Then I went back in with the big fluffy brush, blending this around the edges. And then now I'm taking this pigment from NYX, which is the Foil Play pigment. I'll put the name in the description bar. It's a really beautiful golden color. And I think NYX Cosmetics has really nice pigments. These are new. Well, I think they are now for around 6 months or so. But before that, they had different pigments, which I didn't really like. But these ones are actually really good. They have nice pigmentation. So if you're searching for nice, affordable pigments, I would definitely recommend these by NYX Cosmetics. They also have a lot more colors. So if you're searching for a nice one, they have a lot more than only this gold one. So now I'm taking the black color from that same NYX Cosmetics palette. I'm gonna blend that around the outer V, and this is why I applied the eyeshadow guard, because this comes in really handy. You can just sweep your brush along the eyeshadow guard, and this will just make it so easy for you because you don't have to kind of fix up the outer edge of your winged end, if that makes sense. Once you remove the shadow guards, it will just leave you with a really sharp edge, so you don't have to use concealer or anything. So now I'm gonna darken it up by using a little bit of gel eyeliner by Maybelline just to make it a bit darker. But I really hope that makes sense to y'all. Yeah, just by using the eyeshadow guards, it will just make it a lot easier for you. You can get them on eBay, AliExpress. Just search for eyeshadow shields. Yeah, you will find them for sure. They're really affordable. And now I'm gonna smudge my brush back and forth. Then I went back in with a little bit more black eyeshadow. You just have to see how it looks. Do I need a little bit more gel eyeliner? Do I need a little bit more black eyeshadow? And then I removed the eyeshadow guard, and this is where you can see it looks really nice. It's almost like you used like just gel eyeliner, but you used eyeshadow instead. Now I'm taking this pencil from Zoeva, and I'm gonna apply that in the waterline. Lately, I'm really into using warm tone pencils in the waterline. I'm barely using black anymore because I feel like my eye color stands out so much more if I use like a brownish kind of color. Then now underneath the waterline, I'm gonna use those two colors mixed on a flat definer brush by Sigma Beauty, pressing this right underneath the lower lash line. And you can also use black if you want it to be a little bit more smoky underneath the lower lash line. You can totally do that, or you can keep it really soft. You can give your own twist to it. Then I'm taking that orangey color and blending that underneath the lower lash line to really smudge everything out and make everything look really blended. I'm taking a really tiny pencil brush from Morphe. And then I went in with my favorite mascara, which is the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Mascara. I've been using it now for months, and I just really love it, especially for my lower lashes. It makes them super long. And then I'm taking these dark side lashes from Velour lashes, and I'm applying them with my fingers, and then I used the tweezers to really press them against my own skin. And then here you have the finished result. I really hope you all enjoyed this 5-minute makeup tutorial. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed, if you're gonna try to recreate it. Let me know. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!